I walk in, they peeping. Highline keep on blinking. It's back from head to toe, no destination, no reason. I'm not here for you, and you not here for me. You just like the scene, and I'm trying to get in your jeans. Marijuana party with appearances from lean. Perky just walked in, my weakness told her please delete. She just saved the day, now we got everything we need. Bitch, I'm not no fiend, I do drugs, they don't do me. Practice what you preach, shut the fuck up what you talking. Last thing I know, I popped it, now I'm with white girls in Austin. I just need some Zao, I'll probably pay whatever it costs.
Back to Hello's Garage. Today we're addressing the problem with the control arms. We're going to do pretty much everything, tie rods, everything. So I'll show you the actual suspension once it gets up in the air.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm tipsy. And the pill blue just like Nipsey. Demon bitch, shot it bad as hell. I'm about to bite the apple and hit it. Hey, he talk the shit, but I live it. Hey, he thought about it, I did it. Hey, I left the ex when I left my ex. It got bad as fuck, I'll admit it.
Alright, there's some oil leaks for sure. It's coming from the Vanos line, so I already know.
Wet down here.
Yeah, Alex is here. Right. So this is the main wobble. I couldn't show you on camera, but
Double stick it up.
isn't it right here? This ball joint.
Yeah, you can actually see it.
Yeah, zoom in on that.
Hold on.
Good. The other side does the same thing. Not as bad though.
Nah.
It does it though, I feel it. And then the kit that I got came with tie rods and stuff, boots. I hope boots. Let me break it up. Here's the parties. I already unboxed it. Make sure it was my box. But came with tie rod ends, sway bar links. Came with sway bar links, tie rod, inner and outer. What is this? I think that's the lower control arm. Is this the drag link or whatever? This is the arm that goes on top somewhere right here.
They call it a stability arm?
I don't know. But you're not supposed to tow from it. That's what it says. Let's just throw these on. And then hope the shake goes away and see if I can get an eyeball alignment. Yeah. That's what we're dealing with right now. That was the lug nut that was super tight and stripped. That's nice. We're not going to put this lug nut back in. Alright, so we just got to take off everything. So we're just going to take literally everything off. Drop the whole knuckle from the, what do you call that, strut? Coilover? Strut. Just drop it from that and then to take off this. What do you said it was what? Double what?
It's a...
Maybe a double wishbone?
Yeah, double wishbone suspension. I could be completely
Either
wrong.
way, they both look like lowers, so I don't know what to call them. Whatever they are, they gotta come on. I'm gonna start with sway bar. You do it the wrong way, I don't know. Just the tension thing.
Just walked in, my weakness told her please delete. She just saved the day, now we got everything we need. Bitch, I'm not no fiend, I do drugs, they don't do me. Practice what you preach, shut the fuck up what you talking. Last thing I know, I popped it, now I'm with white girls in Austin. I just need some Zao, I'll probably pay whatever it's costing. She like first night, I know, but boy, don't think I do this often. I'm turning off my cellular, them psychedelics start kicking. I'm in the club with my pilot, for a nigga try, we gon' start hitting. T-Raw told me, slow down, boy, don't drink the cup, you just sip it. Remember starting off, I bought that pack, couldn't even flip it. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm tipsy, and the pill blue just like Nipsey. Demon bitch, shot it bad as hell, I'm about to bite the apple and hit it. Hey, he talk the shit, but I live it. Hey, he thought about it, I did it. Hey, I left the ex when I left my ex, it got bad as fuck.
Alright, last piece. Very blown, very sketchy to pull out. Done. Alright, we're just gonna throw the control arms in. It's already getting pretty late, but it's a like reverse process. This isn't really a like DIY video. This is more just, man, that wobble's annoying. I'm gonna fix it. So we'll probably just throw this on. I'll probably throw some clips in there. I'm not entirely sure, but so we just want to go ahead and put the arms on. Here are all of the arms. 1, 2, 3, and then the tie rod end. And I'm pretty sure that's gonna fix the wobble. The wobble, I'm pretty sure, was coming from this ball joint, and possibly this one. So they all got replaced. So we'll see how that feels. We just got to throw the wheels on real quick. Throw the wheels on, put it on the ground, do a quick alignment, eyeball alignment, and then we should be good. So throw it down and then see how that goes. We got our eyeball alignment done. All the arms got replaced that needed to get replaced. I'm gonna probably record a small clip of it, seeing if it shakes or it feels any better, but I think that's about it today. I don't have anything else. Next video coming soon. I have a couple other things coming in. Headlights are out for sure. I'm gonna want to get a new bumper pretty soon. As soon as I take these wheels off, I have the Style 5s going on. Now we're gonna get coilovers and everything, but I'll give you a quick update on the wheels. This one is before, not very much polishing. This one is after polishing. Get in there and show them.
This is before. Oh, look at the. Somebody had their little grimy paws on it.
Pretty good, not too bad.